This is another screencast of Mobile GNU Help, and I will show you the latest revisions I have made with the last screencast. This app has already been run before. I'm running it again to show you that it synchronizes every time it runs to keep the data updated. There. This is how you add a patient. Click menu and then you can add a new patient. Say it will show you all the fields you can edit. I already removed the date of birth from the main info page and transferred it to the general info page. There. And I added a patient's relative field here and the contact number of the patient's relative. I changed the triangle icons and replaced them with pencil icons to show that these fields are editable during the edit mode, and if you return to view mode, the pencils will disappear to show you that they are not supposed to be edited. I haven't shown you how to add a laboratory test, so I will show you. Here you are shown the test. Once you have created the lab test and you have saved it in the database, you cannot change the test type anymore. Because if you change the test type, if you have already saved that lab test, it will disorder the information here, the case values. Say I will choose there, and I will be shown the case values for that test type, and I will input the values that I have gotten from the laboratory test. There, if I go back, click the back button without saving, I will be asked to save. And I can save to before going back by clicking menu and clicking save changes. So when I click back, I won't be asked anymore. And then there's a lab test listed in its lab test. And another revision that I have made is the grouping of lists. Let's go to a patient who has a lot of information. Here, you can see that diseases are already grouped by their status, and it already has a heading for each group. So now they are grouped, and after they are grouped, they are also ordered by their date per group. And then there, symptoms, it also has groupings, same as for vitals or medication. For surgeries or lab tests, for example, let's see the values. It has no values yet because they are all default values that I have inputted before.